welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your database with your website using wamp server. So this is the folder of the wamp server. So we have the www folder right here. You should click right here, then you create a new folder. So let me create a new folder, call it PHP. Let's say blog. So after creating your folder, now you'll be required now to go to your coding editor. Then you open that folder. I'm using Visual Studio or on my coding. So my folder is at local disk C under wamp server. Then www. Then right here I've labeled it PHP block. So that is it. So after now connecting after now opening your folder right here, you should now be required now to go to the phpMyAdmin now for you now to create a database, for which I'm going to create it. Should just type in localhost, then phpMyAdmin, this one. I'm going to use this. Then right here I'm going to create a new database, that is, let me call it a PHP blog. So I want us to connect this with now our website. So what I need to do is to come here, then create a new file. Then I'm going to call it config.php. So right here I'm going to give the PHP syntax. So PHP, then after here I'm going now to connect. I'm going to MySQL. I'm going to give it a $con is equals to MySQL _ connect. Then inside here I'm going to, using the quotation mark, I'm going to give a localhost. Then I'm going now to give the username, which is root. Then I don't have the password, so I'm going to leave it as a blank. Then our database, I'm going to give it as you have seen, we have labeled our database PHP block. So I'm going to give it as PHP, then block. Then after here I'm going to check if the connection is connected or not. So if, then in brackets, not connected, $con, then I'm going to echo not connected. But if it's connected, that is else. If connected, I'm going to echo connected. So what we should now need to do, as you have seen, this is our folder, that is PHP block. So right here we have our folder as PHP block. So I'm going to now to run it and see what is localhost. Then we have PHP block, and then we have now our file name, which is config.php. Then we run it. So as you have seen, we have successfully connected our database with now our website. So guys, that is it for today. Next time I'm going to show you how now to insert database into insert data into your database.